pause for a moment. And take a breath in. Let's return to the breathing that we did in the beginning part of our time together. Notice as you breathe in and out what is happening in your body. And sometimes in these kind of engaged conversations, we get more like the yearning opens up, and trust that longing. That longing is meant to ignite your path, to ignite your heart so that you will keep moving forward. Trust it, trust it. But also, the answer is not out there. The answer is in sitting with that question. Rilke said that years ago to the painter, the young painter that asked him the question, that sitting with the question, allowing the questions actually to open up the answers for the next step. That's what we're doing here, is we're sitting together. Sure, there are some answers, but they're mostly, in this situation, my trying to point out to you what you already know and let your heart be awakened to what you already know so that you can follow your own path, your own longing, your own guidance. So breathing in, what would it be like to trust that you already know, underneath all the turmoil and the turbulence, you know. And this party that so wants all the answers and so wants to know and so feels so strongly about it, how can you trust that and settle in and let this part take you by the hand and guide you towards your next step? Notice if there's a settling that happens as you return to yourself. You be with yourself. Listen with your ears to your own heart's longing. Allowing your guidance to arise out of the richness of your own suffering. Held in the company of all of us who have known this horrible path of suffering and yet are walking our way to a whole new way of being. Breathing in your own sure knowing. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get there. We're all going to get there. Nobody's being left behind. One step at a time. We're all getting there. What would it be like to confidently know? To already be there. And this is part of what Anna Poole is going to be guiding us on, this visioning of how we already know and how that stance, that vision of ourselves can actually help magnetize us to move in that direction instead of into the old ways of being. So we're going to get there. We're building the foundation one step at a time. So there's a lot still here. Let me see.